Okay, we're back in action. We need to move this one as much as we can. Because this is my hope, getting the window. I can slide my finger and hopefully the window is going to be able to slide itself in. Yeah, I gotta check it out first. I gotta go all the way down. Okay, I got the window, that's definite. And I'm gonna try to get the window on the other side, not to crack the window, of course. Let's be smart about this. We're going to use an extra battery, a really good one for this kind of repairs. So I get the light inside. I see that this side is not really catching on the window just now, I think. I started to do that. Make sure to be as precise as you can. I think I got something. So the good thing, or the good method is here, I'm gonna use this for screwing. First, secure yourself a light source, like this. Okay, there we have it. Now, we're gonna have a leverage here. So you're gonna push this one all the way up, you can. As up as you can. And then, what we're gonna do, no. So use a leverage. Now let's test it. Wow, look at this. Isn't this cool? Now, since we actually are able to jam out the window. We're gonna do a bit of lining up. And this is what I'm talking about when I say lining up. So here, I need Tarek's help to film. So this is where window was sitting. So you see, this has to go all the way up. Same here. This has to go all the way up. But it's gonna be a bit easier for me because I can see where the window has been sitting. And the same here, I can see where the window has been sitting. So what I'm gonna do, just lift it up, push it down a bit more. No. I need to be able to manipulate this screw and this one as well. So I'm gonna unscrew these two again. And push the window as much as I can with my finger. So see what I'm doing? I'm pushing the window downwards. And let's see the result. You're gonna lower it down a bit more. No, I'm kidding. Don't do anything. Don't press this button. No. So it's as lowered as it can be, and now we're gonna tighten it up again. Don't go too crazy. And it's gotta be pretty tight. Now, if Tarek takes a look at the window, he's gonna see that everything is actually fine. So it sits as it was sitting before. The rubber thing is holding, these brackets are holding window quite tightly and nicely. And then we check this out. It doesn't have the auto function yet. Now it is. Let's test it first. Okay. Works. Job done, I guess. Now what we need to do is make sure everything is nice and tight again. So a lot of work to be done just for the sake of now tighten it up again if something has loosened in between. And close the window. Good. And now you can put all of this stuff back together, which I'm going to do right now. So there it is. It's a tough job for what it is, but I mean, it's an essential function of the vehicle, opening up the windows that we actually need a lot. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm not going to need this one anymore in my hands. Now it's -5. Can Tarek film this? It's -5. -5. Okay, look at this dedication. And now what we need more of the same here. Let's get this back out again. One, press this one, this slide one. This will slide out. And now remembered how we did this one. We got this one out like this. So make sure you have one of these. It's really, really essential for the job like this. So we got this one fixed. What we're gonna do now is put it all back together again. Slide the door handle through, put this wire here, and then start gluing this back together again. Make sure these are all lined up. So it's the isolation, and you want it nice and tight as possible. I mean, it's not going to be as the original, but as it was brand new, because it's not new anymore. And remember, we had wirings somewhere here, and they're here again. Good. We want to have these wirings. Now we're gonna go back there and disconnect the battery again, because we're gonna be working with the airbag, and I don't want to blow my face up. Same thing. Get the negative terminal first, and then remove the positive terminal as well. Okay, now all of these before we do anything, we need to put the airbag back together, and for that we're gonna need a 10 socket, size 10. Socket size 10. 3 of these. First screws. Screw them in, and then first use your hands. And then you're going to use this banner key. Okay, and remember this little guy. Remember how you need to put this in place and then connect the airbag unit. Connected, good. And now don't forget, we had a big huge black part which holds the speakers here, and then before we do anything, we connect it with this cable and then this white. Yeah, sorry about that. So this is all when it comes to, and then we're gonna put the black here, the black little piece of plastic. Remember, that was really tough to get out, to get off. More precise. But first we're gonna I don't know why. I'm not gonna use. Let's put this one here. I was blinded by the light. We need a Phillips screwdriver. I mean, I gotta give it to Tarek. It's really cold and he's filming me like there's no tomorrow. Thanks, Tarek. Now we have this tricky screw, which I'm sure you're gonna find by yourself. Then so if you have a crack like I do, make sure you don't do it too tightly. Now we're up to the point where we install the nice and shiny protective fancy thing, and we do the process in the vice versa manner. Okay, my bad. Okay. We need to search for the wires, and this is the one that we need to put here. Let's get some light here so that I can film this. There you have it. It's a tricky thing to pull out. Look, but you get the picture. So you gotta put this little jack right into the housing of this safety thing, this safety light. And so remember, it's -5, and I kind of losing my patience a bit here. It's absolutely non-essential part, but I'm a fan of doing the right thing, so I gotta be patient. I need better lighting. No. Okay. Ah, look at me. What a moron. So, do it like this. Push this one out, the plastic part. Push it out. Push it out. And put the jack in. And now, push it back in. And that's job done. So remember what I said about figuring stuff out? Yeah, that's called figuring stuff out. Now we need to be sure that this is at least approximately here somewhere. And we want to make sure. Okay, wrong. So you push all of these wirings through the connector here, and then there's a foam thing that you stuck in here so it doesn't go out. And now we're gonna make sure that my mic is not destroying me. Okay. More. wiring. So push all the wiring here and then clog it with this beautiful piece of, I don't know what. Okay. Now get the door handle through first. Done. And now we want to make sure that this little pin is inserted right into the hole which is designed for this pin. There you go. Don't start knocking yet. Okay, we want to make sure we get these hinges, the more we can get the better. Now you can start knocking and hitting with your fingers. Try to be punctual till it completes the circle. Now we want to make sure we have all of these here before we tighten anything back. Okay, see if we need those lights back. And then what we're gonna do now is first we're gonna secure the door handle that we're gonna do, and we need, I think, this one. Yeah. Different size. Okay, this is the right side. Light and so what would be the easiest way to pull this one out? Insert the screw and try to see the hole, and then like this, not too tight. And then remember the little black thing, the cover. Yeah, insert the cover. Okay. Now we're gonna install the window control module. We're going to start with the what is this for? Okay, that's for, yeah, about this for a second. mistake, but I'm not gonna be bothered. I'm just gonna check it out now. Okay, let's connect the battery. And did I do the most important stuff? I did connect the airbag. Did I connect the airbag? Let's check it out. That's too important to left out. Okay. You can see that in the video. There's actually another reason why I want to do this. This is going to be done in a sec. Remember, start from here. The airbag is absolutely connected. What I missed is one of these white wires that go somewhere else but in this module, and then you will need I just need to find right connection. Okay, there it is. I got it. If Tarek can film, that'd be great. So this little white, if you miss him, it goes to the purple connector right over here. Now this little white goes to this little white. Okay, made a mistake. I put the white one in. No, white one goes to white one. This one goes here. Black one goes to black. So I missed the purple one. I only miss this little guy. Is there any more space left in this connection here? No, this is what happens when you get a bit tired. I guess it goes right down into the speaker. Oh, so that would be a shame. But since I'm becoming an expert in this, let's do a quick recap. You missed the white one. And you missed the speaker, like I did. Don't be so worried. We will solve this one. There's the speaker. The speaker had another. There's the one. So film this one, Tarek. It's not the speaker, it's the one in the door. I don't know what is this for. It's this memory seat button. Good. Good. I actually don't use that function at all. So, and I don't know what is this purple one serving for, but who cares? So, let's do this. Okay. This one is ready. All of this ready. Now, hit it. Okay. Now it sits firmly in its position. Nice and leveled up. What we're going to do now is basically go through the process again, but now we're sure that we did it right. And I hope I'm gonna wiggle, just find a screw. No, there's. So wiggle and you're gonna find it. That's cool. What else is there to do? Let's put this little thing back on. So, tricky thing. This has to go down in this hole that has been designed in such a way that you get really surgical and things you need to be thinking about at all. But I guess it's easier if you want to get it out. Last time I didn't have any problem, so I'm gonna circle until it finds a hole by itself. And there you go. It found a hole. Last thing, the modules back in place. Push this one out and push it in. It automatically connects itself to this black plastic thing we call window control unit, window regulation control unit. How fancy, just made it up. So basically put this one back in. Now we're gonna do some screwing around. We need to screw things back in, but first let's put the battery on and let's secure the battery. And we're getting